In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to book Emirates Business Class with miles. Planning a luxurious travel experience with Emirates can be made even more rewarding when you use your accumulated miles. Let's dive into the steps needed to make this dream journey a reality. First, you'll need to establish an Emirates Skywards account. If you're not already a member of the Emirates loyalty program, head over to the Emirates website and navigate to the Skywards section. Creating an account is straightforward. Just provide some personal information, set up your preferences, and you'll be able to collect and manage your miles with ease. Your membership will give you access to exclusive benefits and rewards, which makes it all the more worthwhile to join. After setting up your account, it's time to log in. Use your newly created credentials to log into the Emirates Skywards portal. Logging in will not only allow you to view your account details and check your mile balance, but it's also an essential step for booking flights using your miles. Keep your login information secure to avoid any hiccups when planning your trip. Now, with access to your Skywards account, proceed to search for flights. In the Flight Search tool, input your desired travel dates and destinations. Be sure to specify that you're interested in business class. This ensures that the search results align with your preferences. If your travel plans are flexible, consider checking nearby dates as well, as flight availability using miles can vary significantly. Once you've found some promising flight options, look for flights eligible for the Cash Plus Miles payment method. This feature allows you to use your miles for part of the fare while paying the remainder in cash. Such flexibility is particularly useful if you don't have enough miles to cover the entire cost of the ticket. It lets you make full use of your miles without needing to wait until you've accumulated more. With your options narrowed down, it's time to book your flight. Select the best option that fits your schedule and preferences. The Emirates booking system will guide you through the selection process, offering clear instructions on how to allocate your miles and cash to cover the fare. Be attentive during this stage to ensure all the details, such as name and contact info, are entered correctly as they appear on your identification documents. Finally, complete your booking, review all details, double-check the flight times, baggage allowances, and any specific seating or meal requests. Then proceed to finalize the payment to confirm your reservation. Once this is done, you'll receive a confirmation email with all the relevant details about your upcoming journey. By following these steps, you'll be on your way to enjoying the exceptional comfort and service of Emirates Business Class while making the most of your carefully saved miles. Safe travels!